my observation, I noticed that more than 70% of people that showed interest in having a copy of the 7 pages plan on how to become crypto millionaire before the end of the year. All right. More than 70% of them, they were able to download the book on their phone, on their tablet, or on their PC. Now, I feel bad. I feel bad that the rest are not able to download it, and they are probably finding it difficult to download. All right. So that is why I'd like to demonstrate it now. Okay, I like to demonstrate it now so that you can learn how to download the book. It is really easy. Okay, I don't know why people are finding it a bit difficult. It is really easy. All right. So I'm going to demonstrate this now. Okay, so probably you've watched the video on the website. You've watched the video and you've read the the message. Then you want the book. Then you click on get the gift. Okay, get the gift. Then it should direct you to WhatsApp. All right. Then you send this message. Okay. Once this message is sent, all right, the autoresponder will reply you. Okay, it will reply you. Then I've already saved this guy's number. I've saved Abimola's number on my phone already. So I will tell the autoresponder after saving the contact. Okay, you must save the contact if you want to get the book. Okay, it is required. So I will type saved. Okay, so one of the reasons why you need to save the contact is because this guy shares a lot of valuable information on WhatsApp. Things that could change your life for good. Okay, so by having him as mutual contact on your WhatsApp, then you are able to benefit from all his content, all his cryptocurrency and blockchain content. Okay, that's the essence. So now the link is here. Okay, as you are looking forward to leverage the market in the cryptocurrency industry, this is the best book you ever read. Quickly download it now. So I'm going to click on this URL. So when I click on this URL, it will take me to the website where the book is. Now, the book actually costs $1 to download. That's about 750 naira to download. Okay, but for the fact that this guy wants you to benefit from this information, okay, from this knowledge, he wants you to have access to things that could change your life for good. Okay, so this discount code has been applied automatically, so meaning that the book is free. Okay, the book is free to download. Now you can see the $1 has been crossed out of it. Okay, it has been crossed out of it. So meaning that you only need to scroll down. Okay, scroll down. You can see it says $1 off will be applied at checkout. Okay, the code has been applied automatically for you. All right, and these are things that you will gain by reading that book. Okay, by reading that book. So crypto. Now I'm going to click on I want this. Okay, I'm scrolling down. Quite a number of people have already enjoyed the book and they have given it ratings. So I recommend that you should try and rate the book also. All right, please, I'm begging you, try and rate the book. Let me know what you think about the book. All right. So 5 stars, over 60 people gave 5 stars. Okay, and the book is currently 4.5 star at the moment. So I'm going to click on I want this. After clicking on I want this, it will take me to another page. It says, okay, the discount code has been applied. Okay, to show that, click on apply. You can see that it's been applied already. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. I'll supply my email address. Okay, this is my email address. And I'll supply my WhatsApp number. Okay, let's say my WhatsApp number is 081. Okay, or I could even add, let me say plus 234. That may actually work. 81-844-1993-6. Okay, my name, let me see, my name is Abimbola. Yeah, so I'll click on get. All right, click on get. So after clicking on get, okay, this book has been sent to my email. Right, it's been sent to my email. So instead of coming, you can even view receipts. Okay, you can view your receipts to show you that you've been able to get that book, right? And this is the message that you get here. You can download from here right there. So people come to my WhatsApp and say, okay, I can't download it. Okay, the download link is right there. So if you click on that link now, download. Okay, download. Can you see now? Can you see? It's been down. Can you see? This is the book right there on my phone. This is the book right there on my phone, and I can decide to save it. All right, or assuming that okay, it is not on my phone. Okay, I don't want to download it now. You can just go to your email. Where is it? Where's the email? You can go to your email. So when I get to my email, okay, can you see it? It's been sent to my mail. All right, it has been sent to my mail. Then I can always have access to it by clicking on read me now. Okay, read me now. Can you see? All right, so that is it. So when you click on read me now, just go down, okay, and download it. If you have an account on Amazon Kindle, okay, send the book to Kindle and read it. It's as simple as that. Okay, I hope this video helps. Okay, this demo video, I hope it helps, and that is pretty much how to go about it. Okay, so if you have any further question, you can always let me know on WhatsApp. Okay, on WhatsApp or on Telegram if you have my contact on Telegram. So also make sure that you join the Telegram channel, because that is where I send a lot of updates. All right, a lot of updates. So if you're going to be, if you look forward to receiving signals from me, trade signals from me, okay, that is where I'm going to be posting all of these things. Okay, so I wish you all the best. I wish you success in all your endeavors, okay, in this industry. Okay, rest assured that you are in a safe hands. God bless you and have a great day.